Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna solve the day 17 of Daily Leetcode Challenge of August. Unique Morse code words. International Morse code defines a standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes as follows. This is the mapping given. A corresponds to this, and B corresponds to this, and C corresponds to this. And for each alphabet, for each 26 alphabets, these are the encoding. Given an array strings words where each word can be written as concatenation of Morse code of each letter. For example, cap can be written as this, which is concatenation of Morse code for C, then B, and then C, then A, then B. Return the number of different transformations among all the words we have. So gen transforms to this, and gen transforms to this, and gig transforms to this, and MSG transforms to this. The GIN and ZEN have the same Morse code, while GIG and MSG have the same Morse code. So there are two different transformations possible. Now let's move on to the approach. I will first define a vector string dict. Let's name it dict is equal to, and it will be containing the all the Morse codes, and the first element in this contains the Morse code for A, and the second element contains the Morse code for B. And now let's make a set string which will contain all the Morse codes of the given words. Set uh, let's name it S, and then we need to traverse through all the words for auto. Let's to store the Morse code for a single string and make a string str S, st. Let's name it st, and then auto it word, and I'm just gonna add st plus equals it, and after adding all the word, uh, I need to use this dict it minus a. This will give me the array index which the letter corresponds to. Then I need to push s dot insert st, and then return the size of s dot size, and let's see if it works. It is working absolutely fine. Let me submit the code. It is working. So if you have any doubt, do put it in the comment section. Do like and subscribe my video.